Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Teach with Talks 123. Social Science Part 1 Most Important Question Answers for 10th Standard. Those who are going to studying this year 10th Standard, to for them useful this video. To first lesson Advent of Europeans to India, the first lesson most important MCQ questions. First one, the gateway of European trade was dash Constantinople. Constantinople it is known as the international trade for the European center. See who captured city of Constantinople? Second one question. Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople in 1453 because the Europeans used this city to for come to trade India. That's why Ottoman Turks captured this city and put it heavy tax. Now third one question. The Arab merchants had a monopoly trade in dash countries. Arab countries to had monopoly to trade. Arab it is very easy tricks to Arab Asian. Now another one fourth one though Italian traders had monopoly trade in dash countries. Italian Europeans. Arab A very easy to remember. Italian European countries. Next to fifth one question. Now fifth one question. Who discovered new sea route to India? Who discovered first new sea route to India? Answer Vasco da Gama discovered new sea route to India. In when he was discovered new sea route to India? 1498 he was first he came to find out sea route to after captured Constantinople. He find out new sea route to. He was a another one note this point. Another one important. He was a Portuguese sailor left Lisbon to Lisbon. He was a Portuguese sailor. He was a European sailor to from which country? Portuguese country. The Vasco da Gama belongs to Portuguese sailor. He left that place name is Lisbon and reached the Calicut near Copado, the west coast of India. The west coast of India. Now, sixth month question. Name the Europeans. This is very easy to remember. Name the Europeans arrived to India. The Portuguese, the Dutchess, the English, French. Here I given extra information. See the Portuguese. We can easy to remember the chronological. The first one, the Portuguese arrived to India 1498. That was a first sea route find out to India. And last lived to Europeans, even Portuguese also. The Dutchess 1596, even they established 1602 Dutch East India Company. The Portuguese established 1028 Portuguese East India Company. The British established 1600. Now the French was established 1664. See, these are the East Indian companies established India for. These are the most important. See, 1628, the Portuguese established Portuguese East India Company, Dutch East India Company, British East India Company, French East India Company. See, very easy to, we can write in order wise, chronological wise. And Britishers 1600 to 1947, they made Calicut capital. The capital, Goa. Goa is the capital for Britishers. Pulicat is the capital. Even Dutchess from Holland or Netherlands, the British were the made capital Calicut. Now the Frenches were made capital Pondicherry. In 1674, the Frenches to buy that city Walikondapuram from local Muslim persons, and after that improved that city. That city became a Pondicherry. Now, who was Francisco de Almeida? 10th one, sorry. Now, seventh one question. Who were the first Europeans to India and last lived to India? Already first one discuss. See, Portuguese. They came to 1498 to and last lived to India 1006 and 1961. 1961. That's why they were the first Europeans to India and last lived to Europeans to India. Next, eighth one question. Who was the viceroy of the Portuguese after the Vasco da Gama? Vasco da Gama, he was the first to find out to sea route to India. After him, who came to India? The Francisco de Almeida came to India. He was the first viceroy of the Portuguese. And who implemented blue water policy? Francisco de Almeida implemented blue water policy. He implemented blue water policy. Now, why was Francisco de Almeida introduced blue water policy? About that question, the supremacy over the sea instead of the supremacy over land. The Francisco de Almeida introduced blue water policy. Next, one question. Who was the real founder of the Portuguese? Please comment this answer in the comment box. Please subscribe, like, share this channel. You can watch, you can get information about social science part 1 and most important questions for 10th standard.